Aqua Friends, welcome back to another Minute from the Lab video. Today, we're going to talk about companion planting. Some of you may remember the companion planting we did last year with the Three Sisters Garden. If you don't remember that, check it out right here. Right now in the lab, we have a sage and lavender companion planting happening right here in the A bed, kind of below this banana who shades it a little bit. But the sage and the lavender work really, really well together. They smell good and they're both delicious. You can use them in culinary, you can make teas, all kinds of fun things. And they grow and they work together. Now, speaking of working together, Miss Jen has a new companion in the lab, and her name is Miss Sarah.
Hi, Aqua Friends. I can't wait for you all to come in and visit.
So we're so excited. I'm so excited. I have a new companion here in the lab, a new partner in crime. We have companion planting happening, and we can't wait to see you. Bye.